I've been watching your vlogs.
Get in there, Blake.
You've been watching them?
I've been watching them, yeah.
Hang on a second.
I saw Josh in there. I don't want to be on the vlog.
Just tell us that you see. Just say you've seen the blog.
I've seen the vlog.
What do you think of the blog?
They're pretty good, actually.
They're pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's your name? We always got to do this for copyright purposes.
I'm Blake. Blake.
Why don't you tell the camera what we're doing today?
We are taking the doors off of.
We're taking the doors apart.
We're taking the doors apart.
We're gonna take the windows out, window latches. We're gonna strip the door shell.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad, why don't you tell us what you did while I was gone?
All right. When you were gone, I ended up stripping the doors of all the windows, vent windows, window regulators, door handles, all that good stuff. The doors are basically stripped down. We took them off the hinges, so they're ready to be sanded and body worked. So that's what I did.
Now to the fun stuff.
Got the fun stuff. All you need to do now is take out the steering column and unhook the clutch. You should be able to lift this thing right off.
Sweet.